Welcome. This is Nigel Smith with Global Finance Advising. Today we have another class that's going to help you take the initial training to another level. So today we're going to go step by step in ensuring that you have everything you need to be able to have the success that you're looking for. So let's start off here. You'll go to fxcm.com. You'll open up your practice account if you haven't already done so. If you have, please bear with me just one moment. You're going to go to FXCM, click on practice account, sign up for free. If they give you a call, just let them know that you're taking a course and you're utilizing their service to practice trading in the Forex. You don't need any additional assistance from them. I will take care of you. Want to utilize our trading system right now. So now you have your practice account. You're going to go ahead and log in. You go to the Trading Station web. Now, if you have a Mac, you have to use the web. If you have a PC, you can download the desktop program. Either way, once you log in, you're going to see a particular format. I'm going to show you how to manipulate that format. First, let me go ahead and log in here. Make sure you copy down this information because it doesn't always stay here for you, and it is case sensitive. So if you've never having any problems logging in, perhaps it's because of the case sensitivity. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like when you first log in. You have advanced dealing rates, simple dealing rates, currencies that you can purchase or sell. Alright, so let's just close all the windows except for the window with the chart here on the right side. So we're going to close everything out and close all these windows. Let's just keep this chart here. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice opening and closing a trade. Now here I already have the stochastics open, and the way that you're going to open up stochastics for yourself next time is right next to this little ruler. You have a section that says add indicator. You'll click here. Okay, my recent indicator is the stochastic indicator. For you would scroll down if you haven't been here before and go to classic oscillators, and it'll be the last one that you would select, and then press OK. Okay, now it's doubled it for me. I could just get rid of this indicator. Now I've removed the indicator. Okay, here we are. Now you have your roller coaster, right, going up and down, up and down. Now all I want you to be able to do today is to right click on the chart and create a market order. Now you could either sell or buy. We're going to make a 1K trade, but if you wanted to do more, you can choose here. But all we're doing is 1K trades because we're just practicing. And then we press OK. To close this trade, I can do it straight from this chart and right click here on this green window and close the position and press OK. Simple as that. I want you to practice this a few times with different currency pairs. Create a market order and go ahead and buy and or sell. Okay, and close it out. Just for practice. And that's all we're doing today. Please do this assignment so that you could be prepared for tomorrow's class. Thank you.